Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn new topic of grammar, transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. So, what is mean by transformation of sentences? Transformation of sentences means changing the form of sentences without changing the meaning is called transformation. Let us see again what is meant by the transformation of sentences. 2 marks can be asked the question in your question paper. So, transformation of sentences, changing the form of sentence. Changing the form of sentences without changing the meaning is called transformation. So, let us see here transformation of sentences. Sometimes we express the same idea in different kind of sentences. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentences. How many kinds of sentences are there? There are 4 kinds of sentences are there. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative, and number 4, exclamatory sentences. So these are the kinds of sentences. So sentences can be simple, compound, and complex. Let us see kinds of sentences: assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. And then sentences can be simple, compound, and complex. So let us see the changing the form of sentences without changing the meaning is called transformation. Interchange of exclamatory into assertive sentence. Today we are going to discuss about the interchange of exclamatory into assertive and assertive into exclamatory. So this is the transformation. Now interchange transformation. Case A. When we change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, we use the adverb like greatly, very, indeed, extremely, really, exceedingly, and to maintain the sentence, to maintain the same emphasis. See here, when we change exclamatory sentence into assertive, exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence, we use the adverb. We use the adverb like greatly, very, indeed, extremely, really, exceedingly, to maintain the same emphasis. Means when we are going to change exclamatory sentence into assertive, exclamatory sentence into assertive, so these adverbs can be used while we change the exclamatory sentence into assertive. Let us see here. For example, how great it was of you. How great it was of you! Exclamatory marks. So this is the example of exclamatory sentence. How great it was of you. So we have to change this sentence into assertive. How great it was of you. So how it will be the change into assertive sentence? How great it was of you. This is the exclamatory sentence. Now let us see here. It was really great of you. Full stop. So this is the assertive sentence. When we are going to change the exclamatory sentence into assertive, so let us see what is the subject here, it. And because assertive sentence begins with the noun or subject. So it is the subject in the sentence, it. Then it is assertive sentence. So to be form here was. Let us take the to be form is here was. And how is converted into really, because this is the assertive sentence. Means how great is here. So it was really great because when we are going to change the exclamative sentence into assertive, so means we use the adverb, like greatly, very, indeed, extremely, according to the sentence, according to the emphasis of the sentence. So here it was really great, because how he changed into really, how is in changed into really, because it is a adjective, and when we are going to change this sentence into assertive, so it was really great of you, full stop. How it is converted into assertive? Let us see here once again. It is the subject, means noun is easier. It, to be form here was, how it converted into really, and then adverb is here great, and last word is remaining here of you and full stop. So this is the assertive sentence. It is changed from the exclamative sentence. Now let us see another example. What a nice thing for us. What a nice thing for us. This is the exclamative sentence, and we have to change into assertive sentence. So let us see here. What a nice thing for us. But it is not. Here it is not the, what you can say, noun or subject. So that is why we have to take it. It is, because it is a thing. So we should take the it. It. This sentence is in the present tense. So to be form is here is. What a nice. So what a nice. What is the meaning of this sentence? What is the emphasis of this sentence? What a nice. So we have taken here adverb. What in changed into indeed, and a nice means a very nice, because indeed a very. We have taken here what is changed here. What changed into indeed. It is indeed a very nice thing for us. Assertive sentence starts from subject and ends with the full stop. And we have to take the adverbs like greatly, very, indeed, extremely, really, exceedingly. So we have to keep in mind that when we are going to change the exclamative sentence into assertive sentence, so we must take the adverbs. So that is why the adverbs must be remembered by you while you are going to change the exclamative sentence into assertive. So how it is converted, this exclamative sentence into assertive? It is indeed a very nice thing. A very, because what is there? Generally when it comes what in the exclamative sentence, so we have to take the a very, must be there. So it is indeed a very nice thing for us, and there must be the full stop. So this is the conversion of exclamative sentence into assertive sentence. Now let us see, when we change assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, exclamative ones, we begin the sentence with adverb. How and what? When we change assertive sentence into exclamatory, because we are going to change the assertive sentence into exclamatory, so exclamatory sentence must be begin with how or what. How or what. So now see here, because we have seen here the exclamative sentence changed into assertive, and then we are going to see now the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory, once we begin the sentence with adverb, then we are going to see assertive sentence into exclamatory. Assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. Now he is here. He was very simple in habits and dress. It is assertive sentence. Full stop here. Must be full stop there. He was very simple in habits and dress. So we have to convert this sentence into exclamatory sentence. So exclamatory sentence must begin with how or very. So this, what is the emphasis of this sentence? So let's see here how, because very is here only. A very it is not there. So that's why very converted into how. Then the object is here simply how simple. How simple, because after how we must take the adverb. Simple is here. Then to be from here. Sorry. Then subject is here. He. Then we have taken was to be from here. And then object in habits and dress. In habits and dress. So how simple he was in habits and dress! Exclamatory marks. Let us see again. Assertive sentence change into exclamatory sentence. He was very simple in habits and dress. So we have to convert this sentence into exclamatory sentence. So here is here very. So very is changed into how. Then because we are going to change this exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory, we are making the exclamatory sentence. How, very become how. Then the adjective simple. And then after that adjective we must take the subject he. To be strong here already was. And then remaining part of the sentence means the object in habits and dress. And exclamatory marks. So this is the way to convert the exclamatory simple sentence to exclamatory sentence. Very simple is here. Let us see some examples of the assertive sentence and exclamatory sentence interchange of interchange without changing the meaning. Okay, let us stop here. We will continue.